If you are over 60 years old, I need you to listen to me very carefully. If you are drinking 8 to 10 glasses of plain tap or bottled water a day because you think it's going to fix your dry skin, smooth out your wrinkles, or save your kidneys, you are making a mistake. In fact, you might be doing more harm than good. You are likely just flushing your body's essential electrolytes down the toilet. You're stressing your bladder, you're waking up 3 times a night to pee, ruining your sleep, which ages you even faster, and the worst part? Your cells are still starving for moisture. You are drowning your insides, but you are still dehydrated. I saw a video trending recently, maybe you saw it too, where a doctor spent 37 minutes rambling just to tell you to eat beets. 37 minutes! I looked at the comments and you were furious. You said, "Stop the fluff, give me the recipe, I don't have time for this." I heard you. You were right. You don't have time to waste. So I am going to give you the exact formula, the specific ingredients, and the measurements right now in the first minute of this video. Then I'm going to explain exactly why this works better than any $100 face cream you can buy at the department store. Get a pen, write this down. We are making cellular hydration water. Ingredient number 1, beetroot powder, 1 teaspoon. Ingredient number 2, leafy green powder, spinach or kale, 1 scoop. Ingredient number 3, pure pomegranate juice, 2 to 4 ounces. Ingredient number 4, L-Citrulline powder, 3 grams. Ingredient number 5, a squeeze of fresh lemon. That is the list. Mix it in water, drink it in the morning. Now, do not click away because you need to understand why plain water is failing you. If you don't understand the mechanism, you won't stick with it and you won't get the results. Imagine your body is a driveway. When you were 20, your driveway was made of high-quality sponge. You poured water on it and it soaked it right up. That is plump, youthful skin. But now that you are over 60, your driveway has turned into concrete. When you drink plain water, it doesn't soak in. It hits the concrete, runs down the slope, and goes straight into the sewer. This is why you can drink a gallon of water and still have skin that feels like tissue paper. This is why your blood pressure stays high even though you're hydrated. The fluid isn't inside the cell, it's outside, swelling your ankles and putting pressure on your heart. We have to turn the concrete back into a sponge. Let's look at the heavy lifter here, the beetroot powder. Why is this non-negotiable? It's about nitric oxide. When you're young, your body produces plenty of nitric oxide. This molecule is a vasodilator. It relaxes and widens your blood vessels. It's what delivers blood, oxygen, and water to the tiny capillaries in your face. By the time you hit 60, your natural nitric oxide production drops by about 50%, sometimes more. Your microcirculation shuts down. Your skin creates wrinkles because it is literally starving. It's a ghost town. Beetroot is a nitrate bomb. It forces your body to produce nitric oxide. It opens up those tiny highways again. Suddenly, the water you drink can actually reach your skin cells. You aren't just wetting the pavement anymore. You are watering the garden. Next, the pomegranate juice. This isn't for flavor. This is a bodyguard. Your body contains enzymes called matrix metalloproteases. As we age, these enzymes go rogue and start chewing up your collagen. They are like termites in the walls of your house. Pomegranate contains punogalagins, which block these termites. It stops the breakdown. You can drink all the collagen you want, but if you don't stop the termites, you're wasting your money. Then, the leafy greens and the lemon. This provides the raw materials, vitamin C and vitamin K. You cannot build a wall without bricks and mortar. Vitamin C is the mortar for collagen, but more importantly, the lemon cuts the taste. I'll be honest with you, beetroot powder tastes like dirt. It tastes like the ground. If you don't add the lemon, you won't drink it, and if you don't drink it, it won't work. And finally, the L-Citrulline. This is the turbocharger. It recycles the nitrates from the beets, so the effect lasts all day, not just for an hour. It keeps those vessels open so your blood pressure stabilizes and your skin stays plump from morning until night. I know what you're thinking. Is this just another trend? Is this AI? I read the comments on other channels. I see your suspicion. You see a stock photo of an old lady and a robot voice and you click away. I don't blame you. I am a real person. I am not a doctor trying to sell you a recurring prescription. I am someone who got tired of watching my own parents get prescribed 7 different medications for issues that were caused by simple cellular dehydration. I tried this myself. The first week, nothing happened. I thought it was a scam. But on day 14, I noticed something. I pinched the skin on the back of my hand and it snapped back. It didn't stay tented. On day 21, my energy levels leveled out. No afternoon crash. On day 30, my friends asked me if I had changed my makeup. I hadn't. My skin just had blood flow for the first time in a decade. Now, a quick warning, this is powerful stuff. Because beetroot opens your blood vessels, it lowers your blood pressure. If you are already on medication for low blood pressure, you need to talk to your doctor before you start downing beet juice. And if you're prone to kidney stones, be careful with the spinach and beets. They're high in oxalates. Drink plenty of water with them. But for the rest of you, the 40% of you who have a cabinet full of supplements you never take, stop looking for a miracle pill. The miracle is in your circulation. Here is my challenge to you. Don't believe me blindly. Treat yourself like a science experiment. Go to the store, buy a bag of beetroot powder. It costs less than $20. That is cheaper than 1 week of lattes. Drink it every morning for 2 weeks. Take a selfie today in good lighting and take another one in 14 days. If you don't see a difference, you can come back here and leave a nasty comment. I can take it. But if you do see a difference, if you see that glow come back, then you share this video with a friend who is tired of being tired. I have put links to the specific powders I use in the description, not because I want to get rich, but because I know you will ask which brand, and I want to save you the time of searching. But honestly, any organic brand with no added sugar will work. Stop drinking plain water and expecting miracles. Structure your water. Feed your cells. Next week, I'm doing a deep dive into thinning hair. I found a 3-ingredient scalp stimulant that costs practically nothing, and the clinical trials are mind-blowing. If you want to see that, make sure you're subscribed. Now go make your drink. Your skin is thirsty.